In today's video, I'm going to show you how to archive emails in Outlook Office 365 in the easiest way. This is a great way to keep your inbox clean without deleting important emails. Archiving helps you stay organized while still keeping your messages safe and easy to find later. Let's get started. First, open your web browser and go to the Outlook website. Once the page loads, click on the Sign In button. Now enter your email address and password, then click Next to log into your account. After signing in, you'll be taken directly to your inbox where all your emails are stored. Now that you're inside your inbox, take a moment to go through your emails. The goal here is to find messages that you don't need to see every day, but still want to keep. These could be old conversations, updates, receipts, or notifications you've already read. Instead of deleting them, archiving is a better option because it keeps them saved but removes them from your main view. Think of archiving like putting papers into a storage box. They're not gone. You've just moved them out of the way so your workspace stays clean. Now let's move on to how to archive your emails step by step. Start by selecting the email you want to archive. You can simply click on one email to select it. If you want to select multiple emails, hold down the Control key on Windows or the Command key on Mac, then click on each email you want to include. You can also use the checkboxes next to each email to quickly select several messages. This is very useful if you're trying to clean up your inbox faster. Once your emails are selected, look at the top menu of Outlook. You'll see an option called Archive. Go ahead and click on Archive. As soon as you click it, the selected emails will be removed from your inbox. But don't worry, they are not deleted. They are moved to the Archive folder, which you can find on the left side of your screen along with other folders like Inbox, Sent Items, and Deleted Items. Now, if you ever need to access those emails again, simply click on the Archive folder. Inside, you'll see all the emails you've archived. You can open them, read them, reply to them, or move them back to your inbox if needed. Another quick way to archive emails is by right-clicking on a message and selecting Archive from the menu. This is a faster option if you prefer using shortcuts. Also, you can use the search bar at the top of Outlook to find archived emails quickly. Just type in a keyword, sender name, or subject line, and Outlook will show you matching results. A helpful tip is to make archiving a regular habit. For example, you can clean up your inbox at the end of each day or week by archiving emails you no longer need in your main view. This will keep your inbox organized, reduce distractions, and help you focus on important messages. Another tip is to avoid confusing archive with delete. When you delete an email, it goes to the trash and may be removed permanently later. But when you archive an email, it stays safe in your account until you choose to move or delete it. So archiving is always the safer option when you're not sure. And that's it. Now you know how to archive emails in Outlook Office 365 in a simple and effective way. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like the video, leave a comment, and subscribe for more simple tutorials.